If your microwave is your best friend, it might be time for a breakup. Here's why. When you stop using microwaves, you start exploring healthier cooking methods like steaming, baking, or even slow cooking. These methods don't just make your food taste better, they help retain more nutrients too. Studies suggest that microwaving can reduce the nutrient quality in some foods. Yikes! Switching to alternatives like steaming keeps those vitamins and minerals locked in. Plus, baking can give your veggies a nice, crispy edge without sacrificing nutrition. So, next time you're about to zap your meal, think twice. Your body will thank you. And hey, subscribe for more natural kitchen tips. Happy cooking!